chapter mensuration exercise questions. Now the next exercise question is 4, where says that the flooring tile, they are in the shape of parallelogram, just like this. This is suppose a tile which is to be fitted in this floor area, and these types of the parallelogram tiles are there whose measurement is given. Now when the floor is covered with the tiles, you can just see that one tile, then suppose this another tile, then another tile, and this another tile. So we are tiling up this whole floor. You can see that they are also covering the area, and because each tile is of the equal measurement, so this will fill up this whole area, and the area is given. The total area is given as 1080 meter square, and the measurement of this tile is given in the centimeters, as the base as 24 centimeter and the height as this height as 10 centimeter. So this total area is to be covered up with the tile. Now we need to find out that how many tiles will be required. So if we consider that the number of tiles required will be n, then n into area of one tile, 24 into 10. Now these two units, they are given in centimeters, and this area is given is meter square. So we have to convert into centimeter square. 1080 meter square. With this we have to multiply 10,000. Why we have multiplied with the 10,000? Because just see that 1 meter square, this means that 1 meter is multiplied with the 1 meter. This is also in meter and this is also is in meter, and converting into centimeter, 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter, and this 1 meter is also having the 100 centimeter. So both these, they are in now centimeter. 100 into 100 is 10,000 centimeter square. So 1 meter square is equals to 10,000 centimeter square. So we just multiply by 10,000. Now n can be calculated as 1080 into 10,000 upon 24 into 10. And from 24 we can cancel 108. You can just cancel out with this. The easiest is from 3 you can calculate out. 3 8s are 24 and 3 3s are 9, 3 6s are 18. So 36 into upon 8. Now again here we can just cancel this. 8 4s are 32, 4 5s are 40. 4.5 into 10,000, or is 45000. 45,000 tiles will be required for this. In the next question, an ant is to move around the bread pieces which are given in 3 shape, and you have to find out that which one is the largest one, means where the ant has to move larger. This is given 2.8 centimeter. Now in this one a semicircle is there, this semicircular portion and the diameter. Here this semicircular portion is there, then with this diameter is there, plus extra this line and this line is there, and this is 1.5 centimeter, so that 3 centimeter extra is there. So this B has 3 centimeter more, and then in this one you can just see that this is the semicircular portion. So this semicircular portion is just same in all these 3, then this diameter is same in these 2, and for this one it is given 2 meter and 2 meter. Now you can see that this semicircular portion is same in all these three. In this one 2.8 centimeter, 2.8 centimeter plus 3 centimeter more, and this is 4 meter. So this, apart from this semicircular part, if we just compare this 2.8 and then this 2.8 plus 3, this is 2.8 plus 3, and this one 4, so this is 5.8. so the second portion is the largest one, second portion is the largest one, so ant has to move larger in this, in the middle one, B portion. In the next exercise, we have to find out the area of the trapezium. For the trapezium, I told you that the area is given by the formula half into h into b1 plus b2. So you have to just remember out this formula, and the area of the triangle is also there, which is very much used. So in the next exercise, you just try to solve using this formula. Some of the examples I'll be telling you, that where you can find out the area of the trapezium, area of trapezium when the measurements they are given. Suppose that you have to find out the area of trapezium where the sides are given as 20 meter and 44 meter, 20 meter and 44 meter, and the height h is 15 meter. So you can just calculate using this. Area is half into height 15 into 20 plus 44, which is 64. So half into 15 plus 20 plus 44. 20 plus 44 is 64. This is multiplication. Now cancelling this, 32. 32 into 15, that is 480 meter square. 480 meter square. So that is how you can find out the area using the formula of the trapezium. In my next video, I will tell you about the cuboid, and this exercise 11.2 you can just practice, you can try the questions, they are not much important. In the next video, I'll be telling you some more questions of this exercise. Thanks.